If you're interested in RV rentals, if you want to know how to maximize, double your money, if you want to know what a day in the life of an RV rental owner looks like, you want to watch this video. Guys, I'm going to give you my top tips for add-ons. How can you double your money by not doing any more work, but just having add-ons to each rental? I'm also going to get into it. So as I'm hooking up the camper, we got it all going. We got to go to the dump station first. So I'm going to give you the rundown of how to maximize your RV rentals, what plans I have for next year to how to grow my RV business, and just let you know of some things you got to deal with some difficult renters or some red flags to look forward to. So for next year, the goal is to at least acquire one more RV, whether it's through buying it, whether it's through consignment. Now, what is a consignment? A consignment is where you reach out to somebody in maybe a sell group, somebody that's looking to sell theirs. Maybe you drive around and look at properties and you notice an RV that never ever moves, probably for the past year or two. You go up to them and you say, hey, let me take that RV off your hands. This is what I do. I run a business and I'm sure it's all about the approach. So that's what I'm going for. Hey, I can make you a few $1,000s if you let me manage that RV. You can use it whenever you want, and I'll add it to my rental fleet, guys. Basically, simple as that. They can look us up on YouTube, Instagram, all that good stuff, and they won't ever have to miss anything. I'll basically would be looking to do a 60-40 split. If any of you guys are interested in that, please reach out to me. I'm in the Delaware, Maryland, Virginia area, guys. But if you can meet me, we surely can set up something. All you would have to do is let me use the RV, and then you would get the profit. Every month I'll send you a lump sum. It could be thousands of dollars, guys. I'm saying sometimes I get several rentals that reach out to me, and since I am the #1 guy, I have a lot of traffic coming to me. I push them off on different units that I have available. So that's where you would benefit from using me compared to just doing it yourself, taking a few years of doing it, or the headache of dealing with these customers, as you'll see as I get into the video. So I'm looking to grow the business by at least one consignment or buying me another RV, guys. Okay, now how do you maximize profit on these RVs? So if you were to give me a consignment, or if you're looking to get into it, I'm giving it to you both ways. You will want to do add-ons, guys. Generators, pet fee. And some people might, okay, generator, I could do $40 a day, $50 a day. Okay, that's because I'm providing a generator. I know everything's going to work on it. What other add-ons? The pet fee, guys. I always add a pet fee because hotels do it as well. Some will not allow you to have pets. Some will with the extra fee. Now, how do I feel about my pet fee? My pet fee is $45 per day. Wow, right? Is that a lot? Is it a little bit? Let me know down in the comments while you're smashing the subscribe button. It's $45 a day because if you ever tried to put your pet up into a, I guess it's, what's it called? Like a kennel or a doggy daycare until you get back from vacation, let me know how much money they charge you. And then they're going to charge you extra money for you to have your dog walked, played with, extra stuff. If you just want them housed, it's probably about $70 a day, maybe even $100 per day, guys. The rest are add-ons for them in the doggy daycare. So I charge $45 for you to have your pet and for me to clean it, and that way you don't lose your full deposit if the pet was to damage something from anxiety, guys. Okay, so I feel that is fair. I do bed and linens as an add-on, guys. This is a great way to boost sales, but also provide help to a customer. So it's not all about the money. It never is with me. The add-ons for bedding allows the customer to either bring their own cozy favorite pillow, blanket with them, but that's a lot of stuff to bring in their vehicle if they're meeting me or if I'm meeting them at the campsite, or even if they're towing it. It's a lot of stuff to carry from miles away, hours away. Or they can rent them from me, basically, like borrow them. I set them up, I have to clean them, so therefore I charge to use the electricity, the detergent, my time, a service fee, guys. So a great option is bed and linens. I don't include those because I have to do those things. And if you have several units, it will take you several hours and loads of power to actually get that accomplished, right? Another great add-on that I almost forgot is a dump fee. You are not a septic man, you are not a sewer guy. A dump fee, guys. You want to make sure you charge a good amount. How much do I charge? I charge about $80 to $100 to dump the tank. So if they're dry camping, if they're at a festival, if they're boondocking, if they have a site with no hookups, I have to dump somebody else's waste. Yes, poop and pee. Make sure you charge a fee. That kind of rhymes, guys. Poop or pee, make sure you add a fee. That's 100% right. Now, another fee that you should absolutely charge if you do not do the other ones is a delivery fee. You want to do the delivery fee no matter what, guys, because fuel is expensive, the wear and tear on your vehicle is expensive, and you don't want to be charging $50, $100 for delivery. This is where you can get a lot of your money is in the delivery side, because it is time consuming. So time is money. And I love being with my family, guys. I love helping people enjoy camping, but I also love for them. I love time with my family is what I'm saying. So those are two things that I'm looking to do, is make sure my delivery fee is fair. So for me, if you're inquiring, if you want to know, for me, I charge $300 delivery fee up to 70 miles. 70 miles is huge in my area. $300 includes everything. Full setup, awning out, rug out, chairs out, toilets filled up, water's connected, sewers connected. Everything's done right. You don't have to worry about something being wrong. That's why you should charge a delivery fee. Now, what if they want to go over 70 miles? Guys, I charge a ridiculous amount because my time is valuable. I charge about $5 to $8 a mile over 70 miles. So if I'm going 2 hours away, my delivery fee might even be doubled. It's time and distance as well, guys. Don't be afraid to never say no. Just up the price, guys, because your time is valuable. So you being an entrepreneur, you being in this position, either you're giving away time, but you have to put a price on that time as well, guys. So I charge $300 for 70 miles. You can charge whatever you want to go over that, or you can do however you like. 70 miles gives me a lot of campgrounds. Okay, so those are my top add-ons. I'm not going to say top 5, top 4, but those are my top add-ons. Anything other than that, feel free to include in there, like a gift kit, a package deal, a s'mores kit, chair package. It's up to you, guys. I include the chairs, the rugs, the toilet paper, the propane, paper utensils, plastic utensils. I include all that stuff. The propane, I include all that. So that's why I charge what I charge and I do what I do, guys. And if you're wondering about a nightly fee, my older 2020 model, which I'll show you right here, I charge $130 to about $135 per night during the weekday, and about $140 to about $138 on the weekends in the summer booming months. Now my newer unit, which you see right here, I charge about $135 to $140, and depending on the holidays, events, it could go as high as $145. Even if it's a festival, guys, both units have been known to go out for about $200 minimum, $230 at maximum so far, guys. All right, Max Your Journey tribe. So as I was saying, I had a couple red flags about this actual rental. So as I'm dumping the tanks right here, as you see, guys, I'm still right here. It's the messaging. It's all in the wording. So when you run an RV rental business, as long as I have 5, 6+ years, guys, you pick up certain things, uncertainty in wording, and even in the calls. So they wanted to know about the batteries being charged. They thought they stayed charged the whole entire time. I explained to them, you need shore power or a generator. So now they're scrambling for a generator. I do provide one, as I stated before, but they want to bring their own to save money. So that's usually on the renter. But I told them I will supply an extension cord so they can plug in to at least charge the batteries. And I will, of course, include an adapter for the generator if they want to run the generator to charge it all the way up. So that's one thing. They also asked about leaving their one vehicle at my house so that they could ride, the other family could ride in the RV. That is a no. You should never ride in an RV, guys. It is too bumpy. It's not temperature controlled. This isn't a motorhome. This is a driving, I mean, this is a towable RV, guys. These are travel trailers. Very unsafe. Hold on. Very unsafe idea to do it that way. You never want to do that. So that's a major, major red flag. That means you have no idea really what you're doing, but that's fine. I have plenty of people that have rented from me before that do not know what they're doing, but that is just a red flag on top of itself. Now, always ask about the tow vehicle. They do have a decent tow vehicle. They do have the brake controller. You always want to ask that kind of stuff, just to cover yourself. Tanks they want full. So basically they're towing down south and they want to park it in a parking lot while they attend an event. They just want to use it for sleeping as they travel, like a mobile hotel. No problem at all. So hopefully it gets better. Like I said, good vibes, guys. Stay tuned for part 2 to actually find out what happened. I hope I have a good update for you guys. I'll see you soon.